Hey guys, so we're here at the part 2 of the video. And we're here at the Acer booth, well, the one near our hotel, and we're gonna be checking out the bikes, particularly the Predator e-bike, which I'm very curious about. Well, I'm walking there now and it's actually right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying to ride it and hopefully I don't crash it because they say it's the only one they have in stock. Yeah, wish me luck and I'll see you guys in the vid. Needless to say, riding the Predator e-bike didn't go according to plan. But hey, at least I tried. Okay, so that did not go as planned. I almost binned it because I don't really know how to ride an e-bike. But I did notice it was very powerful. So yeah, there's that. So since I'm alone here, I won't be showing footage of myself riding the bike. Instead, enjoy this compilation of other people riding the Predator e-bike. The Predator Extreme e-bike isn't the easiest to use out of all the e-bikes Acer had on display. And the weather wasn't really cooperating either. One of the reasons it was so tricky to ride is because of where you had to place your feet. Unlike other e-bikes resembling regular bicycles or kick scooters, it's a bit harder to balance before you can get going with the Predator Extreme. As a result, you can easily end up toppling over if you set off without balancing yourself. What makes it harder to use is that you need to be at speed in order for the motor to kick in. Not to mention you had to lean forward in order to get your weight in. Needless to say, it was very powerful. If you're not careful, you can easily head straight into the wall or whatever it is that's in front of you. We weren't given the exact specifications, but we were told it can reach 25 kilometers per hour at the very least. Fortunately, there are various modes available, including an eco mode, which makes the Predator e-bike a bit easier to handle with less power. I suspect eco mode also increases the range of the scooter as well. In terms of specs, there are not a lot of details just yet. But from what we can see, it does have dual suspension, slotted rotors in the front, brakes, and what appear to be grippy tires. Just not in the wet, I guess. Other details include a 700 watt output with 29 Newton meters of torque, and from what we were told, 22 kilometers of range in one charge. While other e-scooters might have a higher range, this one does look like you can have more fun. Well, assuming you know how to ride. We also think you can do some stunts with it, like wheelies, given the suspension setup it has. Well, that's assuming you're brave enough to try. But if the Predator Extreme is a bit too hardcore, Acer does have a bunch of other e-bikes available. One of my personal favorites at the show is the Ebby, which looks and rides just like a regular bicycle. This made it the easiest to use and even comes with additional accessories you would not normally find on a bike, like headlamps and DRLs. You can even connect the bike to your phone via an app to check out its location, battery, and more. Other e-scooters we were able to check out include the Acer Explova and the ES Series 3 and ES Series 5s. These are more similar to the usual scooters, making them a bit easier to use. Unlike the Predator Extreme, these three are actually on sale in various markets, including Taiwan. So, we're back in Manila, and that's about it for our video coverage of Acer at Computex 2023. We certainly enjoyed our time, and we're really interested in the Acer e-bikes, particularly the Predator one. There's no word yet whether the Predator e-bike or even the other Acer e-bikes will be available in the Philippines, but do stay tuned for that. And as for the price, the Predator one has no price just yet. That's because it's not even for sale in Taiwan. We asked them for the reason, but we were told that it had something about the registration or other issues. Do note, it might not be accurate because it was in Chinese and my Chinese is not the best. So, what do you think of the Predator e-bike and as well as Acer's other e-bike? Let us know what you think in the comment sections below. And if you enjoyed this video, do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel to watch more. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Acer, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.